I would like to talk about the rule of law a little bit, because this is another thing that comes up in the media all the time. They broke the law. You ever hear that? They shouldn't be rewarded for breaking the law. And their answer is, you broke the law, deport them. Not understanding that the rule of law is not just statute and verse, okay? The rule of law is not just this book with statute and verse. Section 352. That's not the rule of law. That's part of the rule of law. But the rule of law is also procedural. What do we do if somebody breaks the law? That's part of the rule of law. And that's why in our Constitution, if somebody is accused of breaking the law, we don't have 12 computers judging them. 2 and 2 equals 4, deport. We have 12 people, jurors with hearts, minds, flesh and blood, judging these people. Why? Because the rule of law also has something what is called extenuating circumstances. Meaning, are there extenuating circumstances here? We know you broke this particular law, but the judge or the jury is allowed to look at extenuating circumstances, or particularly the judge, before giving a sentence. But when you look at the deportation argument, they broke the law, deport them. They broke the law, deport them. 1 and 1 equals 2. I hope these people are judged the way they're judging others. I hope one day, because these people are hypocrites, I hope one day when they do something wrong, a computer, 1 and 1 equals 2, you broke the law, go to jail. No, have mercy. Please look at my family. I've had problems. I'm sorry. That's all part of the rule of law. And the greatest rule of law that was ever written of all time was do unto others as you want done unto yourself. All good law flows from that. And people don't discuss that when they talk about immigration or illegal immigrants. It's just deport. It's not about extenuating circumstances. It's not about looking at their families. I mean, could you imagine if one of us were arrested, God forbid, and we lost our license, and we went to the judge and we said, Judge, please, just give me my license so I can go back and forth to work, so I can support my family, because my family is going to be out in the street. Thank God the judge in certain cases has the discretion to do that. It's called discretion. It's called using your human facilities, not a computer. But when you hear the discussion on television with many of these people broke the law, have a nice day, you're deported. Nothing else is to be looked at in their eyes. And they are not telling the truth about what the rule of law really is. As I just stated, the rule of law is statute and verse, but it's also, what do you do if somebody breaks the law? How do you look at it? Is there a room for mercy here? Is there a room for extenuating circumstances? I say there is, and especially in the case of illegal immigrants in our country right now. I say there is.